Now you're watching, recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel present. ABLEMARK Foldable Cordless Pressure Washer with Battery and Car Charger. Foldable Cordless Pressure Washer 249 psi with 4 Ah battery and 5-in-1 spray nozzle. The foldable cordless pressure washer delivers powerful and convenient cleaning wherever you need it. With up to 249 psi of water pressure, it easily blasts away week-old mud, dirt, and grime from cars, bikes, patios, tools, and outdoor gear. Powered by a reliable 4 Ah battery, it provides up to 30 minutes of runtime and can also operate continuously using vehicle power, making it ideal for home use, road trips, and outdoor adventures. Designed with portability in mind, this lightweight washer weighs only 2.3 pounds and features a foldable body that fits effortlessly into a car trunk or storage closet. The versatile 5-in-1 spray nozzle offers multiple modes, including high-pressure jet, fan sprays, and a gentle shower, ensuring safe yet effective cleaning for car paint, windows, and delicate surfaces. A 16.5-foot hose with built-in filtration allows water intake from buckets, pools, or natural sources, no faucet required. Built to last, this washer is fully safety certified and tested for durability in extreme conditions, making it a dependable cleaning companion for everyday and outdoor use. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.